You?
Oh, okay.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I got the baby.
You were looking straight at her twice in a row.
The baby. Holly.
Does anybody want a pop-up popsicle?
So Holly
I'm gonna go get you
Sabrina.
a cake and put it out.
Holly Sabrina.
Because they all like munchies.
Holly
Put
Sabrina.
down the blanket. All she wants to do is
The camera. Okay. Are you
so everybody camps up there.
guys get closer together?
We went up there Friday and camped out. We came back Saturday.
Oh, you get
The
it.
crowd that we go with, they've been doing it for
What's in
12
here?
to 15 years.
That's cute.
By mosquito. Right out in Route 80.
Hi.
Not far at all.
Ram Buster.
It is on. Just spray him. Spray him. Yeah, it is. Aim it at him. Quit it. Quick. He's getting away. Oh.
Going to daylight saving. I got this.
You were having a party.
But it never turned out like yours. It never came out like hers.
Because I couldn't show you that because I never measured them. You know, they didn't love it.
It's still one of my favorites.
This is, I think, a lot easier. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. This one reminds me, for some reason, Margaret, of you. There's just something about her. She's quiet. Real mature.
Try that dark thick hair.
Real mature.
Here's one for
Amy. Oh, how it...
How's this camera? Do you see how she reacts to it?
I could kill you. I look at myself like
Well, I'll just get the baby.
such a photogenic
Oh, she loves it. I mean, she just starts giggling every time I turn it on her.
Oh, Mother Ann, you're not selling me a
Probably like
thing.
I'll get your pretty house
Oh, well, good.
if I can. It's kind of hard to get. Caitlin, I didn't get you in my picture. You better look at the camera. Caitlin. Oh, all I see is the back of you. There we go.
Oh, good.
How pretty. Oh, how pretty.
Girl.
Oh,
Girl.
thank you.
Girl. Thank you very much. That is enough.
My mother is the exact same way around a camera.
Mom would have been out
I
and
want
seen
to
it.
do this.
Don't tell.
I love it, I love it.
Very,
People get so embarrassed, don't they?
You like to embarrass yourself? As bad as nails.
Honey, get rid of that blanket.
Well, I just want one.
Mary Ann.
Well, just one close up and then I'll shut it off.
Zooming in.
Oh, she has your mother.
Really cute ones of your mom with a baby.
Oh, darling.
Yeah. Well, you'll like it.
Oh.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Dale, if you could let their baby
No, I
grow
didn't.
and pull it over to the side.
Oh.
We have to get lots of clips.
Sean, give your dad your grandpa a big hug. Give him a big hug.
Give Grandpa a hug.
Go on.
Will your kids do all those things?
Holly, come on, Holly. Hello, look at Holly. She loves this camera. She just loves it. I mean, look at Sean.
Choreographing all the things. I know you.
Huh. Didn't you?
Very cute.
Oh, what a cute baby. Cute baby.
I won. See, before we did 3 races, I won the first one, and he won the second 2. One was because...
Hey, Kevin, what do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that? You're cold.